Hi, it's John here from Speedy Brick, and I went to the Lego store yesterday. It was the 1st of March and lots of new releases, and one of them that caught my eye was this little 3-in-1 motorbike. And so I thought it's actually probably a little bit expensive for the piece count. It was €15 or $14.99, and it's 128 pieces. But it's quite a fun looking bike. It's kind of a 1940s Harley Davidson look, which will be quite fun. It's set 31153, and I'm looking forward to building it. So let's get on with it. So the front of the box, side of the box got a little picture on it as well. Back of the box we've got our 3 different options, but let's open it up and see what's inside. We've got a couple of wheels there, looks like they're the same. Little instructions with I guess 1 option, 2 options, and 3 options. And this is the one I'm going to build first. So there's 2 bags. Let's get on with it. So there's a nice mix of parts here, techniques, and some nice little bits and pieces. There's 1 printed element there. We've got these 2 wheels, which are quite nice. I don't know if that's new or not. I think I've seen these in other sets, and I don't know if this is new or somehow different. I've had these in the Ford Mustang set, the big one. But anyway, let's get on with it. Looks like it's going to be a fun build. So that is the vintage motorcycle built. It's actually pretty cool. You know, they're just so creative, these guys. That always amazes me. That's a small build, but you know, so cool. This is maybe a bit too overscale, but it's, you know, it's a caricature, so it's pretty cool. The steering works. We've got a nice front end. This side looks great. This could perhaps have been a different shape. Maybe I might try a circular one there and see. Let's have a try of that. So I tried all these pieces on the seat, but actually none of them were an improvement. And I tried these two here, but then you notice this little grey line here, and I think this black actually works better. It kind of looks like it's connected there. So that's actually better. So that was the first of the 3-in-1. I'm not certain about these other two designs. I might build this one. I'm not sure about that one, but I might build them anyway, just for the fun of it, and then put it back into this mode. But I think that's the way it'll stay. That was pretty cool. There weren't a huge number of parts left over that we didn't use, so I'm pretty happy with the whole thing. So that was a great little build, the little vintage motorcycle. It's quite cool. There's some great use of parts here. I really like the steering. The adjustable light, you know, you can get it right down into the exact right position. All the pieces come together very nicely. It's got a little lean stand there. It's a massive exhaust, which is perhaps too big, but doesn't matter. It's lots of fun. These lots of great parts in here actually. So just as a part set, it's probably a bit expensive for a part set, but being, you know, 128 pieces and 15 euros, but some good parts in here. And I might pick up another one just for all the parts that I can use later. And I'm pretty happy with the whole set. So it's pretty cool, really. Pity they don't make a bigger one. They do. So I hope you enjoyed this little video, and until next time, bye.